In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the tax rate in Xero. Managing your business's finances efficiently is crucial, and part of this involves ensuring you're using the correct tax rates within your accounting software. Xero, a highly popular cloud-based accounting software, makes it relatively straightforward to adjust your tax rate settings to comply with local tax laws and regulations. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the heart of it all, the Xero dashboard, where all the magic transpires. Xero is designed with a user-friendly interface, making it easy for you to find your way around, even if you're new to the platform. It's intuitive and straightforward, specifically so you can focus on what truly matters, managing your financial landscape with ease and precision. Now, let's dive into setting your tax rate. First, locate the Accounting tab on your dashboard. This is your portal to many of Xero's advanced features, including the one we're focusing on today. Click on Accounting, and you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu with several selections. From these options, select Advanced. This section houses settings for more complex functions, managing tax rates included. As you click on Advanced, a suite of settings will unfold. Direct your attention to the option labeled Tax Rates and select it. You'll land in a section where you can view any existing tax rates you've previously set up. Familiarizing yourself with this area is a wise move, as your business's needs may dictate a return visit from time to time. Next, navigate to the Your Tax Profile section. This is where you can view and modify the tax rates that currently apply to your business transactions. It's crucial to ensure these rates are current and compliant with any local governmental changes to tax regulations. The last thing you want is unintended non-compliance. Within the Your Tax Profile section, you'll find an option to adjust your tax rate. This might involve adding a new rate or modifying an existing one. Accuracy is key here. Ensure the tax rate you're entering matches the current rate as outlined by your local tax authority. This might involve some research to ensure that your inputs are correct. Once you've inputted or adjusted the tax rate to the correct figure, you're almost there. The next step is simple but essential: saving your changes. Look for the Save button, which should be prominently displayed. Clicking on this will apply the changes you've made, effectively updating your tax settings. A noteworthy tip is to regularly check for updates on tax rates from your local tax authority. Tax rates can change, and staying ahead is critical to keeping your business compliant. This proactive approach can save you a considerable amount of time and potential headaches down the line. Remember, managing the financial aspects of your business diligently and accurately is foundational to long-term success. Tools like Xero are here to make this task easier, but they do require some effort from you to ensure they're set up correctly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on setting your tax rate in Xero. Whether you're a new user or updating your tax settings, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keeping your tax rates accurate within your accounting software not only ensures compliance, but also streamlines your financial processes, granting you more time to focus on what you do best, running your business.